Model, 2015 Peugeot Partner L1 Diesel 625 1.6 HDi 75 Professional Van Body, White, Panel Van Mileage, 1.50829 Engine, 1560 cc DV6e Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive Mechanical Summary, starts perfect. Runs fine but the top-end camshaft is worn. Straightforward repair, if you know what you're doing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, air-con, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £4,295. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.